Does this seem to be unreal? Do you believe your data management can't be such a mess? So take a look again at what is probably happening at your company while you watch this. This is the most common way of dealing with data today. No automation means manual data extraction, consolidation, and delivery. Finance data, customer data, HR data, marketing data. Hours of useless repetitive work of your people. Hours that cost you money. Forget it. Imagine that all you need can be done in seconds. Automation of all the data transfers, continuous proactive monitoring, data quality measures, one source of truth for all your data, secured, accessible anytime and anywhere you need it, and easily shareable across your teams. The solution is just a few clicks away. Dataddo, no code, AI-driven data integration platform. Dataddo, connecting your data with your future success.